Lucas Zahovic, welcome to Heerenveen. What can you tell us about yourself? What kind of player are you?
Um, I played striker in a 4-4-2 formation in Maribor, where the club I come from. I've also played wide or a little bit more pulled back, and in the younger when I was younger in the national teams, but most primarily as a striker.
Yeah, but you also can play on the, like we say in Dutch, at the number 10 position or as a winger.
Yeah, I've played that position many times when I was younger, but mainly as a striker. But I can also play that. Yeah.
Yeah, what's your favorite position?
I have to say striker or secondary striker better because that's what I'm most used to playing.
Yeah. You already played Champions League for Maribor.
Yeah.
You scored?
Yeah, one goal.
Yeah. How was it?
Incredible feeling. I was 18 years old at the time, and it was the most amazing feeling in the world.
So you choose for Heerenveen. Why this club?
I think it's the right club for my development. I think I can make a big step in my career here, and I hope to fulfill my potential.
Yeah. I think, I'm not sure, but I think your dad is kind of famous in Slovenia, isn't he?
Yeah, he was a world-class player. He played for clubs like Porto, Benfica, Valencia, Olympiacos, Partizan, Guimarães,
Yeah.
and
You were born in Guimarães?
yeah, I was born in Guimarães and grew up in Lisbon and Maribor, so I got double nationality, friends here and there. So yeah, you can say I like to travel.
Yeah, you're a man of the world already. Well, Europe then.
Yeah, I am more or less. Yeah.
So you came to Heerenveen. I know your dad already played against Heerenveen, isn't it?
Yeah, in the Champions League when he played for Valencia. I'm not sure what the result was, but yeah, he played here.
Yeah.
And with Benfica as
Yeah.
well, but the game was in Lisbon.
Yeah. Do you know? Did he score?
I think he scored twice in Lisbon, but I'm not sure.
No.
I don't promise anything.
No, he got substitution in the game, but Benfica won 4-2.
He didn't score? No. Oh, my bad then. Sorry.
Thank you very much and good luck.
Thank you very much.